In 2025, forms do a lot more than collect data. From onboarding clients to approving purchases to gathering customer feedback, forms are at the center of modern business workflows. But not all form builders are created equal. Some are built for surveys, others for internal ops, some for high-security industries. In this video, I'll break down the top 5 form builders for businesses in 2025, what they are best at, where they shine, and what to watch out for. So, let's dive in. Jotform is one of the most versatile platforms out there. It's built for forms you embed in websites or send via email, making it perfect for lead capture, order forms, surveys, and event registrations. You get a huge library of templates, 100+ widgets, offline data collection, approval flows, and serious compliance features like HIPAA and GDPR. And with payment processing and PDF generation built in, it's a go-to for marketing teams. But all the power comes with complexity and cost. Setup can feel overwhelming, and brand removal is locked behind higher tier plans. Data collection is strong, but reporting and analytics are limited. This is best for lead gen, signups, customer forms, and surveys you send out or embed on landing pages. Number 2. Glide, best for creating apps with forms. Glide is more than a form builder. It's a way to turn your forms into full business apps. Instead of sending out standalone forms, you can create mobile-ready apps where forms are part of the workflow itself. That makes Glide ideal for forms that integrate with your processes. Client onboarding and feedback portals, field service inspection and maintenance requests, HR and people ops tools like onboarding, time of request and performance reviews, and inventory updates, purchase approvals, and expense reimbursements. Glide is great for customer-facing forms because you can build beautiful professional interfaces, and for internal tools because it integrates with data and processes your team already uses. The difference from a standalone form builder is that with Glide, your forms don't just collect data. They instantly connect to Google Sheets, Excel, or SQL, update records, trigger automated workflows, and even use AI. Because your form is in an app, it will work seamlessly across phone, tablet, or desktop, with secure access controls and SSO. The trade-off is that Glide has more of a learning curve, and if you need a quick one-question survey, it's not the fastest path. This is best for internal tools, mobile workflows, and business forms that go beyond data collection. Number 3. Google Forms, best for free, simple data collection. Google Forms is the easiest way to build a form fast. It's free, unlimited, and connects straight to Google Sheets. Perfect for surveys, RSVPs, feedback forms, volunteer signups, and classroom polls. The interface is clean and intuitive. Collaboration is seamless, and AI suggestions help speed up question creation. But it's not built for business logic or complex workflows. You can't customize branding much, and analytics are pretty basic. No offline mode and limited automation unless you bring in external tools. This is best for simple internal forms, school forms, or anyone working in Google Workspace. Number 4. Typeform, best for surveys and quizzes. Typeform is all about user experience. It presents one question at a time in a sleek conversational flow, ideal for surveys, quizzes, lead gen forms, and onboarding questionnaires. It supports images, video, logic branching, and multimedia feedback. Its Video Ask tool lets you capture or present answers as videos. AI helps refine questions, order, and optimize for better engagement. That said, Typeform isn't ideal for internal ops or complex workflows. It's designed for external engagement, not backend automation. This is best for marketing forms, interactive surveys, customer research, and lead capture quizzes. Number 5. Formstack, best for secure, enterprise-grade forms. Formstack is built for high-stakes use cases. Think healthcare intake forms, loan applications, or multi-step approval workflows. You get full document generation, e-signatures, complex logic, intelligent routing, and deep integrations with enterprise tools. Formstack is fully compliant with HIPAA, GDPR, SOC 2, and PCI standards. The IntelliStack AI helps automate repetitive admin tasks and suggest form improvements, but it's priced for enterprise, and it's overkill for simple use cases. There is a learning curve, and the mobile UI is more functional than polished. This is best for regulated industries, legal and finance teams, or ops-heavy businesses with complex approval flows. Each of these platforms is built for a different kind of business need. Use Jotform for flexible forms that live in emails or embedded on your site. Use Glide to build mobile apps with integrated forms that power your operations. Use Google Forms when you need something quick, clean, and free. Use Typeform to create beautiful, engaging surveys and lead capture flows. And use Formstack for high-security, multi-step workflows that need compliance and automation. There is no one-size-fits-all tool. Choose based on how your team works, where the data goes, and how much control you need over the process. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more deep dives into no-code, AI, and modern business tools. I'll see you in the next one.